So, a lot more trucks. Once again, September Convoy. Everything that was brought over from Estonia. My armoured truck here is ready. It's got armour plating on the cab, bulletproof glass. So yeah, we'll be taking that beast to its final destination soon. But there's a lot of other kit actually as well. These guys over here, you can see they've got serious amounts of medical supplies, hundreds of tourniquets and other life-saving equipment. We are outside, I think they call this the Lavra. So it's a beautiful sort of religious setting for the handover. That's a Vac truck on the end there. That's been converted for medical supplies. I will show you that now. That's yeah. We have a. There you go.
Come on. Sina oled, et on siis nagu adekvaatne? See või? Jah.
The Good Morning Kiev armoured car. Yeah, you have it. I think it's probably 16 in total along here. Quite an impressive array of vehicles. This takes us up to 240, I think. I think that's right. You can see some of the units that they're going to. So each one is handed over specifically to a unit. It's 115 Brigade there. So you need to do that for the customs paperwork. It's very important. Yeah. And oh, special operations. Who's this for? Oh, secret unit, that one. Let's get the trucks handed over. And you can see as well, look at that. Grey skies.